Rocky doing? Rocky! Rocky! Yeah, I'm about to go and mount up another wall. And what I'm going to do is and that wall have a door. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you how I make the header for the door. This door is going to be a 32-inch door. So you want the header to be, the width of the header to be 35 inches because you want to extra 3 inches for the thickness of the 2x4. The thickness of the 2x4 it's actually 1.5 inches. So 1.5 inches on either side gives you 3 inches. So you want the header to be 35 inches for a 32-inch door. Yeah, so basically the reason why I'm putting this is a 1/2 inch foam ply, and the reason why I'm putting this in between those two pieces of 2x6, which is what I'm going to be using to make my header, is because you want the thickness of the header to also be equivalent to the width of a 2x4, and the width of a 2x4 is actually 3.5 inches. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to batten those 2x4 together. 2x6 together actually, sorry. Let's see if I get some 2-inch needles here. I want to ensure that everything is well flushed, you know. So I'm sure I will tap it with those 2-inch needles. So I know that everything is flush. Of course you want Rocky Babe. Of course you want your plywood to be the same thickness as your 2x6, and 2x6 is Rocky is 5.5 inches. Now that I know that I'm flush, I can rest my other 2x6 right up there, and you also want to make sure that you're flush and do whatever it takes to ensure that you're flush. If it means to stand on it, you know, put your knees on it, yeah, whatever it takes. So I'll give it one. So just tack it still. Yeah, bring it to the next end. Ensure that we're flush. Here. So how I been milling it is I put 2 there, 2 in the center, 2 there, and then 1 there and 1 there. So you see that, and I'll do the same thing on the next side. just grab a portion of this and I end up grabbing the exact amount that's needed. The next thing that you want to do is that you want to batten a 2x4 at the bottom there. Of course, I haven't cut my 2x4s yet. That's something I have to get all the way upstairs. I haven't cut it as yet. But it'll be this length, and then I'll put 2, 4, I might put 2, 4, 6, 8 nails in there in either corner of the 2x4. You'll observe that, and that's basically how you make your header, and you'll observe that I do the same thing for above the windows as well. I don't know what happened to Rocky, you know, Rocky is troublesome, I could play dog. Troublesome little dog. Yeah, so that's how you make your header. Okay, so now I went ahead and cut my 2x4. So I'm just going to show you how I batten that on there, as I was saying. Basically, again, you want to make sure that you're flush. You know, just make sure that you're flush. As I said, do whatever it takes to ensure that you're flush, because being flush when in woodwork is very important. You know. So that you flush here, and you flush on this side. That's first. I like to do it in either corners first. So you flush. Yep. This is your header. Rocky. Need to get a perfect cut. Yep. More cuts to go, and up the wall goes. Okay, so there's a name that they call this, but I can't fully remember. But basically, it's the junction point where another wall has to come and butt into. That's why I'm joining those three pieces of post together: two in a horizontal direction, two in a. They're all vertical, but one in a different direction in between them. Yes, sire. Can't remember the name of this piece. Okay, so as you can see, I'm working in the dark here. The sun basically set already, and I don't know if you guys can notice, but I forgot to nail one of my wood. Check it out. Oh my, one of those things that you nail. How did I miss that? Let's try that again. Not a problem. Here I go. It's touching up there. I'm gonna try this one more time because I don't have enough power to keep on going. Trust me.
The header alone is heavy, much as for all the wood combined. So you know what I'm facing. The good thing is once you get it up, it kind of like balances on its own, so that's less pressure on me.
Of course, nightfall. Just put the top pulling up, and that's it.